All right, in this lab, you're going to need an app called Wavepad. And you want to download the free version. So go ahead and start by doing that. Download the free version of Wavepad. And once you have Wavepad, I'm going to show you how to use it. So Wavepad should take you to a screen that looks like this. And of course, you're going to allow Wavepad to access your microphone. And of course, the microphone on your iPad is located here, the same position as the on and off switch and the headphone jack. So that's the microphone. And then when you're in Wavepad, in order to record a sound, you're going to hit the red record button, and then it's going to take you to this screen. So this is the screen. This is the screen that Wavepad will take you to when you're recording. Obviously, if it's not recording, hit the red record button again. But this is the screen you'll be at. You'll see a bar go across here, depending on the loudness. Don't bring your boom whacker or your snap too close to the mic, otherwise it'll go all the way across. But keep it close enough. So I would say maybe 2 to 3 inches away from the mic has been good. And once you're finished with your recording, go up here, hit done. And Wavepad should take you to a screen that looks like this. It has your recordings on it. So go ahead and open the recording. You're only going to have one recording, so open up that recording, and it's going to look like this. So, for example, if you played a tuning fork, you should get a waveform that looks like this. In order, obviously, to zoom in and out, you can pinch the screen both horizontally and vertically to increase or decrease the Y or X axis. So this was the waveform of a tuning fork. Each of these peaks represents a cycle or a vibration. So, so from there to there is one vibration. You'll be calculating the different frequencies of different things. So that's how you do the boom whacker part. Now, how do you do the snap part of the lab? So this is what my screen looked like after I did 3 snaps into the tube. Right, and so this was snap 1, snap 2, snap 3. What you can do is you can put your finger on the screen and highlight this. Go ahead and hit play, and you should hear your snap. But what's hidden in here, what's hidden in this sound, is the echo of your snap. Our ears are not perceptible to this, or at least the sound's not perceptible to our ears, at least my old ears. Maybe your ears can hear it. But what you're going to do is highlight that section where the snap is, and go up here and hit the magnifying glass, and then select Zoom to Selection, okay? And that will take you in closer on this. Keep zooming to selection until you get a space with 2 distinct high points. So here we have the initial snap, much louder than our echo, but this is the original sound and this is the echo. So in order to calculate the speed of sound, we need to figure out what's the time interval between the snap and when the echo came back to us. And so in order to do that, you're going to take this. Now this is the sampling rate for Wavepad. So it takes 22,000 samples per second. And I'll explain how that works in a minute. But what you want to do is you want to find the time that the initial sound started. So you can highlight this, hit play, and hear when the initial snap started. So let's say it started at 85,820. And then the echo starts at 85,980. What you want to do is you want to subtract these two from each other. So I'm going to subtract these, and I get a difference in sampling of 160, okay? So that's 160 samples. Well, since there's 22,000 samples in a second, you take this number and you divide it by 22,000, and you have how many seconds it took for the echo to go down and come back to the other end of the tube, okay? And that's how you calculate your time, and from that, I'll let you do the rest of the work to see if you can get a good value for the speed of sound. Have fun.